The Dell 27 Plus 4K S2725QS is a display that instantly changes the way a desk setup feels. At 27 inches with a 3840 by 2160 resolution, this monitor delivers crystal-clear visuals that make everyday computing tasks, content creation, and media consumption feel significantly more refined. The ash-white chassis adds a clean, contemporary touch, making it blend seamlessly into minimal or modern setups. There's a sense of quality here that's noticeable the moment you place it on your desk. The IPS panel is where the screen really shines. Colors remain consistent across wide viewing angles, meaning that even if you move around the desk or share the screen with someone else, images and video remain accurate. Text is sharp and highly legible, icons pop, and 4K media looks incredibly detailed. This is not just a monitor for work. It's also great for high-resolution video streaming or casual gaming. The 120Hz refresh rate is a major upgrade over standard 60Hz monitors. Even without gaming, the difference is evident in smooth scrolling, quick transitions between applications, and fluid cursor movement. Add AMD FreeSync Premium to the mix, and you get a tear-free, stutter-free experience that's noticeable when watching fast-paced video or playing games. This combination of high refresh rate and FreeSync ensures that the monitor feels responsive across a variety of tasks. Color accuracy is a strong point as well. Covering 99% of the sRGB spectrum, the Dell 27 Plus 4K S2725QS is suitable for photo editing, video work, and any task that requires reliable colors. The 1500:1 contrast ratio enhances depth in darker areas while keeping highlights vibrant without washing out the image. Movies, photos, and videos all gain an added layer of clarity and realism, making this monitor versatile for both productivity and entertainment. Built-in speakers add convenience without compromising desk aesthetics. They are not a replacement for a dedicated audio setup, but they provide clear, usable sound for meetings, video calls, or casual music listening. The presence of speakers eliminates the need for extra peripherals if minimalism is preferred. ComfortView Plus technology is designed for long work sessions. By reducing harmful blue light without affecting color integrity, it helps protect eyes from fatigue, which is especially helpful during extended periods of editing or multitasking. Unlike traditional blue light filters that give screens a yellow tint, this monitor maintains color fidelity, making it more pleasant for extended use. The design is elegant and practical. Slim bezels give the monitor a sleek look while maximizing screen space, and the adjustable stand is both sturdy and easy to use. Cable management is straightforward, helping maintain a clutter-free workspace. Overall, the build quality feels premium, which is what you would expect from Dell's high-end offerings. In everyday use, this monitor hits the perfect balance between performance, aesthetics, and usability. It's sharp enough to make work more productive, smooth enough to enhance entertainment, and visually pleasing enough to elevate any workspace. Switching from a 1080p display or a 60Hz 4K monitor reveals the immediate benefits in clarity, fluidity, and color accuracy. Whether the goal is professional work, video playback, light gaming, or just a better daily computing experience, this monitor adapts seamlessly. It's a versatile choice that doesn't compromise on style or performance. For anyone looking to upgrade their setup with a 27-inch 4K display that feels both premium and practical, the Dell 27 Plus 4K S2725QS stands out as a compelling option. The purchase link is available in the description for those ready to take their desk setup to the next level with a monitor that combines high resolution, smooth motion, excellent color, and thoughtful design in one package.